Most footballers will never make it, not because they're untalented, but because they can't stay disciplined.
I don't care how good you are in anything, you don't have discipline, you ain't nobody.
You say you want to be disciplined? Discipline is doing what you hate to do, but doing it like you love it. Because in football, if you don't have discipline, you're done before you even start. You want to go pro? You want to play at the highest level? Then you need to stop relying on motivation and start relying on consistency. And that only comes from discipline. See, the truth is, every footballer has dreams, but most will never touch them. Not because they aren't talented, but because they don't have the discipline to train when no one's watching. Most players only show up when they feel like it, but the ones who actually make it, the ones who transform, they show up especially when they don't, and you don't need to be born with it.
I get it done, even if I'm just going through the motions. I go through the motions.
Discipline is a skill, it's a muscle, and like any muscle, it grows when you use it, when you push through the resistance, when you wake up early and train even when the pitch is wet and cold. My whole football journey changed when I started asking myself one question: what would the future version of me, the pro, the starter, the baller, want me to do today? Not tomorrow, not next week, today. And every time I made the hard decision to put the boots on, to run that extra sprint, to finish that last rep, I was casting a vote for that version of myself, and slowly I became him. Real quick, for players trying to grow confident in new roles, it can take months or even years of hard training, both mentally and physically. But there's a modern shortcut that top footballers are using. It's called Be Your Best, a virtual reality training app built specifically for footballers. The app puts you inside realistic game situations, letting you experience different positions and scenarios without any physical strain. A centre-back can train as a striker, a midfielder can try out full-back, and it's all done from the comfort of your own home. Even Real Madrid's Aurelien Tchouameni has used this exact technology to get reps in at centre-back. The app includes over 800 real-life scenarios that sharpen your scanning, awareness, and decision-making, the skills that truly separate elite players. If you want to level up your composure and football IQ, just head to BeYourBest.com and use the code TPF20 for 20% off your first month or year. Again, that's BeYourBest.com, and the link is also in the description. Big thanks to Be Your Best for supporting the video. Now let's get back into it. You have to understand, discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about building trust with yourself. Because every time you skip a session, sleep in, or cut corners, you're sending a message to your brain: I don't follow through. But when you start stacking small wins day after day, something clicks, your identity changes, and suddenly you're the guy who shows up no matter what. Discipline is waking up at 6 a.m. and juggling in an empty park. It's hitting volleys against a wall in the rain. It's watching match footage instead of scrolling TikTok. And guess what? It's hard. But so is being average, so is being overlooked, so is sitting on the bench. You have to choose your hard. And when you build discipline, you stop needing motivation, because it doesn't matter how you feel, you just do it. You train, you study the game, you take care of your body, you push through the noise. Discipline turns you into a weapon, a player coaches can rely on, a player's teammates respect, a player who gets better every single day. So if you're tired of starting over, if you're tired of feeling stuck, then stop hoping for motivation and start demanding discipline. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need to create a few non-negotiables, simple daily habits that build momentum. Maybe it's 30 minutes of extra touches after training. Maybe it's watching a match and breaking down one player's movements. Maybe it's stretching before bed. Do it every day, no matter what, especially when you don't feel like it. Because if you can't trust yourself to do the small things, how can you expect to perform when it matters most? The game doesn't care how you feel. Your opponent doesn't care how tired you are. They just care if you show up. So show up again and again and again until it becomes who you are. Discipline is easy once you stop waiting for it to feel easy. And when that switch flips, when discipline becomes your default, you become dangerous. This may be the most important video you'll watch, so to remind yourself that you're going to succeed, comment down below, I will succeed, and subscribe to our channel as we put out videos like this all the time. Stay locked in.